And finally, I just want to go over the pre-course assignments. These are ungraded but required assignments that we ask students to complete the first week to help them get oriented in the course. So the first one is a video introduction. And then we have a quick discussion board where we're just asking you to read a little bit of information and share your thoughts. There's no real right or wrong answer there. So if you go into, content and under getting started, week 0, you will find a link to the pre-course assignments submodule. There is a link to the video introduction. It's basically just a discussion board. What I'm asking you to do is to complete just like a 30-second video. You can use the video note function in D2L to do that. And just tell us a little bit about yourself. And then there's a little bit of information here about scams, and I'm asking you to complete the scams discussion board as well. Again, there's no right or wrong answer here. You're not graded on how well you do. We just want to see that you know how to go into the course, that you can navigate and find your way around, that you can post something in the discussion board, and that you're thinking a little bit about critical thinking, which is sort of the topic for this course. So we are going to ask that you have these completed the first week of the semester. If you have trouble accessing any of them or completing any of them for any reason, just send me a quick email and we will talk about options. I think that wraps up the course orientation, so good luck and welcome and have fun, and I look forward to working with you this semester.